In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own funk song using the intuitive platform Suno AI. Let's begin by diving into Suno AI. First things first, you need to navigate to the Suno AI website. Once you're on the website, direct your attention to the left side of the interface. You'll see a variety of options, but what you're looking for is the Create button. Click on it to get started with your music making journey. Now, after clicking Create, you'll be presented with a few choices. Here, you'll want to select Simple. This option is perfect if you're just getting started or prefer a straightforward approach to constructing your music piece. It provides a user-friendly canvas for you to work on without any extra complications. With the simple creation mode engaged, it's time to focus on the core of your creative effort, your funk song description. In the text area provided, go ahead and type in your song description. Be as descriptive as possible. Think about the mood you want to convey, the themes you'd like to explore, and any specific instruments or sounds you envision as part of your song. Simply click on the Create button. This step will initiate the AI's music generation process, where your input will be analyzed and a new funk song will be created based on your specifications. Due to the advanced algorithms powering Suno AI, you can expect a unique and tailored sound that reflects your artistic concept. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to use Suno AI to create your own funk song. Remember, the key to getting the best results from any AI tool is to experiment and be clear with your input. The more you engage with the platform and refine your descriptions, the better and more precise your musical creations will become. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to create something truly special. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore as you continue to harness the power of AI